on YouTube. This is Nola. Say hi, Nola. Nola is not even 1 year old yet, but she loves to play fetch. And she loves attention. She's an attention whore. Can you tell? She is also loving to chew on fingernails. It's her favorite hobby. Yes, she is yay big. This is Nola. Nola Register. The newest addition to the Register Smalls Shepherd family. Yes, the newest addition. I'm gonna put you down now because I'm trying to record, okay? Okay. Hey you guys, welcome back to another video brought to you by SIMONE NICOLE TV.
Period.
If you are new, make sure you subscribe. I do videos on LUX, travel vlogs, unboxings, and my fitness journey. So if you're interested in any of those things, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment down below. Make sure you check out my other videos that I've already released this month. I've been doing very good. I've been very consistent, and we're going to be consistent all 2021. Period. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing a gift that I purchased for my sister this past Christmas. I was waiting to unbox it because I, of course, didn't want to show what I had because it was a surprise for her. This is my first luxury item I'll be unboxing on my channel for 2021. I just want to say that the item here I've been searching for the past year and a half. She told me she wanted this in like 2019, 2020, and I've been trying to find it. I went to Washington's, Louis Vuitton, the one in DC. I went to Miami. I went to, what place was I in? There was another store I went to. I don't remember what the location. I went to Atlanta's Lenox Mall, and probably one other place I searched and called for this bag, and no one had it but Miami. So Miami Design District, both times I went they had it. The first time they had just the monogram print, and the second time they had the monogram in the reverse. So I haven't even told you what the bag is, but I want to give you the backstory of why this unboxing is so important. It was so much work on my end to get it. But this is how the box looks. It says Louis Vuitton. Well, not the box, the bag. We have the box here. So the box here says Louis Vuitton in the orange print, of course, and then it has the magnetic closure in the front. And then when you open up the flap, you have the dust bag inside, of course, like you would any other designer bag. And the cool thing about this box is that it is travel friendly. Oh, it was also wrapped in this bow. She already opened it up and I didn't bother to rewrap it. Y'all know what the bow looks like. Sometimes it's blue, sometimes it's white, depending on the holiday and the season. And then it came with this little note. I didn't write anything on it. And of course it came with this little thing. I'll show you guys what's inside of that. But yeah, it's a collapsible box, so you can pull the tabs to flatten it down in case you need to travel with it, which is very, very nice, very nice. What comes inside of here is the little Louis Vuitton card, and then it just says that it has coated fabric exterior, textile lining, calfskin trimming, and then it also has the receipt, of course, of where I bought it, the location, how much it cost, in case you need to go back for repairs or to return something. And it was at the Miami Design District on 140th Northeast 39th Street. And then of course here is the dust bag. This is the dust bag. This is the dust bag that it comes in. And the item that I purchased is the mini Palm Springs in the monogram print. So this is how it looks. Get a good look at it, girls. Get a good look at it, girls and guys. This is how it looks. It has the cushion padded back. It has the cushion handles, which we love. And then it has rings here for you to attach the straps. The straps are detachable. And then it has, of course, the zipper that has the LV on it, and then it has in the front pocket a very tiny pocket that has Louis Vuitton on it. What does it say on there? Louis Vuitton Paris. It says Louis Vuitton Paris on the front tab. It's a little pocket. The pocket is, if you're not familiar with this bag, the pocket is actually usable. You can actually go inside of it. With my nails, I don't know if I can open it up. This is how it looks in the inside. It's a very snug pocket, but you can fit things in there. They have tissue paper in there right now, holding the space. And then this is actually the newest edition. If you did not know, the first edition had a flap that covered the zipper. And a lot of people on YouTube were complaining about that, and probably like complaining to Louis Vuitton also about how it makes it very difficult for you to open and close the bag. So without that extra flap, you can open and close the bag very easily. I'll show a picture of how it looked before they made this change to the bag. And this change was made, I believe, in 2020. So you can see the lip is gone from the zipper. But once you open it up, the straps are inside. You get 2 straps with gold hardware as well. To adjust to your liking. Right now it's on the shortest length because we're not that tall. On the inside it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. We love that. We love when it's made in France, honey. And there, let me see if I can show you guys. Louis Vuitton, made in France. I didn't even check to see whenever I purchased it to see where it was made in. So you have that, and you have the pocket, and then where is the actual date code? Where is it? It's in here somewhere. It's so dark. The bag is so dark. It says ML4240. I'll just take a picture of it to show you guys how it looks because I can't really show you. Let's see. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it, but it's in there. And you also saw the amount of space that you have. And yeah, that is the mini Palm Springs bag. Everyone has been trying to get it. It's been very popular. It's very dainty, very tiny. It's very cute. I didn't really want this for myself, but if I wanted to buy it, I would get the reverse print, the reverse monogram, because I feel like that's more of a showstopper, more of a it's just different. This is like more of an everyday print, the monogram that you can wear with any outfit. The reverse one has a little bit more spice to it, and I kind of like that a little bit better than this. But I'm just happy I was able to get this for my sister because she's been wanting this for a long time and she deserved it. She recently graduated with her master's program from LSU, and yeah, going to school and getting a degree is not easy. So I just wanted to tell her, you know, good job, girl. Here you go. Merry Christmas. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks with the strap on. They've been bunched up inside the bag, so that's why they look like they do, because she hasn't worn it out yet. You know, COVID is happening. No one's really going anywhere but to the grocery store and to work. So this is how it looks with the straps attached. You guys can see it. They are very long, but once you have it on your body, it's not that long. This is how it looks with the strap on. There's different ways you can wear it with 2 straps, with 1 strap. You can have a good time with it because it's detachable and you can hook it up in different ways, however you want to attach it. Also, this part down here is supposed to be used to put like scarves on, hang scarves on. But yeah, this is super cute. So that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about the bag, if you have it yourself, if you wear it often, or do you feel like you shouldn't have spent the money on it. This bag retails for about $2,000, I believe. This bag retails for $2,129.30. Let me know what you guys think about this bag. If you don't have it, do you want it, and why do you want it? Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. and I plan to do an I plan to do a giveaway from Louis Vuitton because it's my favorite designer store to shop at. But I'm not gonna do it until I hit 500 subscribers on my YouTube channel. And right now I'm at 297, so I'm not too far from it. But go ahead and share this video, subscribe please, so I can do my giveaway, my first giveaway ever. I'm excited about it. I already have the idea of what I want to get in my head, and there'll be 2 winners for this giveaway. So make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. You want to say bye? Because you've been whining this whole time. I'm pretty sure they heard you all in my video. All in my video, girl. Nola.
No tears, no time to cry. Just thinking the most. Everybody is living.